Do you actually know what happens in your body when you don't sleep? Many people don't know that. Now follow me so you understand what happened. Know that the body never stops working. Many people think sleep is simply resting, but inside your body, sleep is one of the most important survival processes. Every single night, your brain repairs damaged cells, your hormone resets, your immune system strengthens, and your organ recover from the stress of the day. This is what happens when you don't sleep. In hours, your body begins to change, and the effects can become very dangerous. You don't know it. Now the brain become exhausted because the brain is the first organ to suffer from sleep deprivation. During deep sleep, the brain removes toxic waste products that build up during the day. And so, without sleep, these toxins remain trapped inside the brain. Your memory weakens, your concentration drop, and emotional control become unstable. Frontal lobe, responsible for judgment and decision making, begins to slow down. So see what happened here now. Here, when you stay awake too long, your body enters survival mode. The adrenal gland releases cortisol, the stress hormone. The heart rate increases, the blood pressure rises. The body behaves so as if it is under attack. Chronic deprivation keeps cortisol level high for long. Then there will be an increasing anxiety, irritability, and long-term health risk. This leads to the weakening of your immune system. Sleep is critical for the immune system. While sleeping, your body produces infection-fighting cells and protective proteins called cytokines. Without enough sleep, your immune system defense weakens. Not only that, your immune defense weakens, you become more vulnerable to infections. You become vulnerable to flu and chronic infection. The next you are seeing, the heart experiences strain because the heart depends on sleep for recovery. Lack of sleep increases blood pressure and inflammation inside blood vessels, and over time, this raises the risk of heart diseases. And after the heart diseases, the stroke will come in, the irregular heartbeats he experiences, even the one night of poor sleep can affect your cardiovascular function. You can see the human heart beating intensely. Let's quickly see how blood sugar become unstable because of lack of sleep. Sleep deprivation affects how the body handles glucose. Cells become less sensitive to insulin, causing blood sugar level to rise. This increases your cravings for sugary food and may rise the risk of obesity and type 2 diabetes. You can see how the insulin molecule failing to enter blood cells while sugar accumulates in bloodstream. The next step is that your body will start gaining weight. Lack of sleep changes hunger hormones. Ghrelin, the hormone that increases appetite, rises, while leptin, the hormone that signals fullness, decreases. As a result, sleep-deprived people often feel hungrier and eat more calories. You see the hormone controlling appetite glowing around stomach and brain. So we are at the stage where the muscles and cells fail to repair. So during sleep, the body repairs muscles, tissues, and damaged cells. The growth hormone is released mostly during deep sleep. So without proper sleep, recovery slows down, muscles become weaker, fatigue increases, and physical performance declines. That is why you don't perform well when you deprive yourself of sleep. Now we are at the stage where your emotions become unstable. The emotional center of your brain become highly reactive without sleep. People become more irritable, anxious, emotional, and depressed. You see, sleep deprivation also reduces the brain ability to control fear and stress. Honestly, you need to sleep. I say that you need to sleep is because after prolonged sleep deprivation, the brain may force itself into micro sleep, brief moments where part of the brain shut down for a few seconds. A person may not even realize it happened. This is extremely dangerous, especially while driving or operating machinery. You have to give that sleep time its value, because you wouldn't want a situation you are in a steering and thing happens. Now we are finally going into the long-term damage to the body. Chronic sleep deprivation is linked to obesity, diabetes, depression, weakened immunity, Alzheimer's diseases, and heart diseases. Scientists now consider poor sleep one of the major health risks of modern life. You see the multi-disease organs surrounding in the video because of sleep deprived action of you. So, in conclusion, my dear listeners, I want you to know that sleep is not laziness, but sleep is medicine. It is biological repair. Every hour of healthy sleep strengthens your brain, balances your hormone, repairs your tissue, and protects your future health. Your body can survive days without food, but without sleep, the damage begins much faster. Protect your sleep because your body depends on it. Peaceful sleeping keep you